Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weeklies from 9th till 15th of November, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a journal reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Scorpios in the week from 9th till 15th of November. And if you want a personal reading to be done by me, you can DM me or message me in my Instagram or Facebook page by the name The Magical Aura. The link for both of my pages are given in the description box below, so you can message me over there if you want. All right, let's see what is there for my Scorpios. So right now I'm taking the Moonology deck over here for the oracle messages from the universe. Let's see what do we have for my Scorpios. Let's start. Okay, a time to give rather than take. Okay, so you know, this card just popped up, so it really wanted to come up. So it is telling me that there's a time to give rather than take. So just, you know, it's every time we always ask like, let's give me time, give me this, give me that, but sometimes we also need to give to people around us who need time, who need some love, affection. Okay, so try to balance yourself, because one more card has come up, so it means balance, spirituality and practicality. So this is something where you really need to seek some balance in a spiritual way, you know, when you really need to balance your mind and your heart in a way where actually everything, just whatever you see around you, because things, you know, our monkey mind is always really busy taking us towards those things which are really not helpful. Okay, it is very negative. It always takes us towards negative. So it's time to be a little positive. Try to go to NGOs as well if you want, because this is a time to give rather than take. So give your time, your affection, your love to people who are with you. Okay, so try to be like, just okay, try to understand people as well. So it's not only you who are going through tough times, there are other people as well. Everyone in your life, everyone around you, people are going through a lot of tough times. So you have to understand everyone's perspective. All right, so this was really intuitive right now, whatever I was feeling. Let's see what is the card telling us now. What is there for my Scorpions? Scorpios. The Chariot we have over here. So this means that move on now. Okay, Scorpios, whatever, wherever you are, if you are really in a place where you are stuck, you are thinking about what to do, what not to do, so take a pause. And if your heart is saying, you know, when sometimes we are always like, oh, I really want this thing, but our mind says no, that thing. So go with where your heart is taking you. That is the Chariot over here. Move on in your life. Just say yes to the opportunities coming towards you. Okay. At the back of the deck we have Two of Swords and the Sun. Okay, I'm really getting over here that you are in a phase where you are becoming very much career oriented right now, Scorpios, because your place, you know, you are more into something productive, I would say. You are into a phase where you have options. Either you have options between people around you, or you have options in your career life, you have options in a lot of things. So you are really confused. You are making up your mind where to go, which way to go, and that is why the confusion is really because you really need some patience, some kind of a balance, spirituality as well. You need that. Okay, what do we have? There's a lot of tension around you. A lot of tension around you as well as your person. Okay, so if you are not in talking terms, basically I'm seeing that there is not a lot of contact with you and your person, because your person with the Four of Swords over here, Page of Pentacles, Four of Swords, it is looking to me as things are really not in a very good talking terms. You both really want to be with each other, okay, because your person's card is the Sun over here. Your person wants to talk to you, but you are in a state where you don't want. Plus, they are in a very deep dream zone. They are getting some dreams about you. They are really not able to handle this breakup if you are not in talking terms, because I'm really getting that thing. There's a lot of problems, there are regrets from your part, from their part as well. Five of Cups with the Ten of Wands, emotionally broken. It's a pressure, it's a feeling of heavy heart in their side as well, but no one is ready to talk over here. You both are like, okay, I want to move on. You are more into career zone, because Page of Pentacles with the Three of Pentacles, it's like you are starting a new business, you are learning new work, you are into new things, so you are busy, you are keeping yourself busy, but not your person is really in a very heavy heart. They are feeling that sadness, they are feeling that loneliness, they are feeling that sense of crying and sadness around them. You as well, emotionally you are not really good, emotionally you are sad, but you are just being busy. Okay, you are working, so that is why you are being busy. Otherwise your heart is filled with tears, your heart is crying. They are The ego is the one thing which is coming up. Both of you are having egos, your own egos. That is why there is not so much of talking terms involved in both of your lives. Neither you are dating anyone nor they, so that is why you both are single. You both are not going to commit to anyone else, plus not even you both as well. So that is why a lot of ego clashes are coming up. See, King of Cups in your side over here, where you have lots and lots of emotions to share, but you will not share because you cannot express those feelings right now. Well, this is you only, King of Cups, Scorpio. So this is your energy. You are not able to, you love like anything over here, Scorpios. Your person, they have the same thing, but they will not speak. Eight of Swords, they are in a stage where they are surrounded by a lot of people as well, I would say. They are not able to speak because of their ego. Plus, if your person is in a stage where like from politics background, or from such some kind of a background where they are acknowledged, people know them, or people know their family a lot, so that is why they are not able to speak what you want to hear. That is why they are not speaking what you want to hear over here. Okay, Knight of Cups and Temperance. Well, if you really want to talk, the advice from the tarot is you can go and have a talk, but I'm not really getting a lot of this not as a very long-term relationship with the Knight of Cups and the Temperance. It is like, yes, you can both talk, you can balance out the problems between you both, but it will not take you both in a very long-term relationship. This is very interesting, this is very attractive. Knight of Cups, he always comes up with an offer, with love, with gifts, everything, but it always means that it is temporary. Okay, so you cannot go it for a long term if you want to go, and just find balance. That is why balance spirituality, and temperance is also balance. So that is why this is the advice from the tarot. You really need to gain some patience, gain some balance in order to see what you want to do, what you want in your life, what you want with this person at least, because the thoughts are really killing you right now, Scorpios. You want to talk, but still ego clashes. You cannot talk. They cannot talk as well. So that is why the problems are coming up. Okay, so what are the signs which we have? We have Leo, Cancer, Capricorn, Taurus, Libra, Sagittarius, Aries. What else? Pisces, Libra again, and Scorpio. Okay, and Sagittarius. So that is all from my side, Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.